Now, I know what you're thinking. You were practicing your awesome polynomial long division skills, and even though you were getting the hang of it, you're probably wondering, God, Mr. Bahi, is there a shortcut to this or what? Because I'm just going crazy. And of course there's a shortcut to this. Come on now. And even if there wasn't, it's not like you weren't having fun doing the other way. So let's talk about this shortcut. So the shortcut is called synthetic division. What that means is just you're literally just going to write out all the coefficients and only the coefficients. So let's take our dividend. And if we were doing it the old way, it was 5x squared plus 13x plus 12 divided by the divisor x plus 3. Okay, so I'm only going to look at the coefficients, or the coefficients and or constants of the dividend, and rewrite them here. So we got 5, 13, and 12. Okay? And just so you're clear where we got those. All right? Now, I'm going to divide it by this. Now, if this is a factor, what would the 0 be? Because I'm only dividing it by the 0. So it's not going to be, you're not going to be dividing it by 3. By the way, this is the division symbol for when you're using synthetic division. And I'm going to put -3. Because think about it, if this was a factor, x, one of the zeros would be -3. So anyway, what you're going to do is, for the first term, I'm going to bring down that 5. Okay? Now, what's -3 times 5? -15. I'm going to put that under the next term. Okay? Add these together, we get -2. Now, multiply these two, we get +6. Adding them together gives us 18. So when you're writing your answer, now I'm going to bring back the variables. However, this is no longer x squared because I'm technically dividing by an x. So this is just an x. And this is just a constant. But what about this? This must be a remainder. So, to write that as a remainder, it's a positive. So when we're writing a remainder, we write it over what our divisor was, which was x plus 3. And there you have it. There's your answer. Pretty cool, huh?